Okay, welcome back to another daily link building tips series by ghostmarketing.co.uk. Today we're going to talk about what you do if you've been negative SEO'd, if you have a bunch of spammy links that a competitor sent via a service or a negative SEO consultant. I don't even know if that's a thing, but I'm sure there is. What do you do? Okay, so there's two things. The first thing is, have your rankings changed at all? Okay. Now, if the answer is no, then Google is smart enough to know when a site wouldn't be building those links themselves. Okay. So if you have a software that generates 10,000 blog comments a day, for example, to your website, and then runs through an indexer to get them all indexed, Google knows most likely if you haven't done anything like that in the past and you have a relatively authoritative site, that isn't you. And as a result, they're not going to de-index you or hurt your rankings. Now, that's about 90% of the time. The other 10% of the time, let's say the negative SEO works and your site gets de-indexed or decreases in rankings. If this is the case, then you have to go into your search console and you have to remove these links, okay? It's called request a can't remember the exact term, but essentially it's just removing these links from your link profile. Now, Google takes a little while to do this, and it's not an ideal situation, but once they are done, those links will be not counted. They'll be de-indexed from your site itself, which means your website will come back in the rankings. The problem is if this continues happening, then you're going to have to continue doing this as well. But you need to get ahead of the curve. So if you are set up on Ahrefs, for example, you get a weekly email that says how many new links you've built. I think it's a weekly one. And that will pretty much sort you out. If you can see you are building sort of 5 each week, so you get 5, 7, 3, 4, 7, and then one week it goes to 10,000, then you know that something's wrong and you need to go and check it out. If you see all these links and your rankings are bouncing around as a result, then you need to get those links, find them inside Search Console, and delete them essentially. Okay, it's pretty easy to do, so don't worry too much about it, and try not to be reliant on one source of traffic either. So remember, to diversify a little bit. Okay, all right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.